snails are a food delicacy known as escargot. My old teacher from my old school, she once tried one of those snails, the cooked snails, and she tried it and she said it was disgusting. Like, now I don't think I want to try any of those snails. Hey guys, I'm Rhea. Welcome back to another episode of KidsBlackHistory. Hi guys, I'm Rhea. Welcome back to another episode of KidsBlackHistory. Today, guys, we're gonna be looking at the top 5 slowest animals Africa. We also made the videos of the fastest animals, remember guys? But today we're looking at the slow. We're gonna see who's the slowest of them all. I think it's a snail because it's really slow. Or probably a sloth. Right guys, before we get into this video, I need you to do one little thing right now. It's not good, right? Make sure you. So mash the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe the button down below. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the KBH family. Welcome to the KBH family. Right guys, let's get into this list. At number 5, we have the African spurred tortoise. These big tortoises are really big and really slow, with a top speed with 0.3 miles per hour. Wow. They can be found on the southern edge of the Sahara Desert in Africa. The spurred tortoise is the 3rd largest species of tortoise in the world. Wow, that sounds big. Only the Galapagos tortoise and the Alba giant tortoise are bigger. They can go weeks without food and water. Wow, we can't even go weeks without food and water. Because if we don't, how are we supposed to survive without hunger in our tummies? When they do find water, guess what? They drink loads, like a million grams of water. Though the African spurred tortoise consumes up to 50% of their body weight. Girl tortoises can grow up to 50 centimeters in length and weigh 60 kg. The boys can grow up to 80 centimeters in length and weigh a whopping 100 kg. That's like 100 bags of sugar. And number 4 we have, which is going to be a little strange because I'm sure not many of you have heard this, and it is the red-knobbed sea stars. It's a starfish with a very slow speed of 0.005 miles per hour. They are found along the African coast of the Indian Ocean. The diet of the red-knobbed sea star can consist of chopped clams, shrimp, fish, and squid. Starfish have no brains because they just have a flat body. Starfish can eat outside their body. Guys, they have a stomach that can go outside their body to eat bigger food. Guys, at number 3 we have the giant African land snail. These big snails are so slow with a speed of 0.002 miles per hour. The snail can be found in Eastern Africa in countries like Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda and Rwanda. I think those two rhyme a little bit. A single snail can produce 1,200 eggs a year. They can be large as an adult man's fist. The snails love to eat calcium. They even eat man-made calcium like stucco, concrete and paint. Ew, who eats paint and concrete? Well, they are animals and animals eat strange stuff. At number 2, we have the garden snail. These small snails are even slower than their giant cousins with a speed of 0.00062 miles per hour. The snail can be found from Northwest Africa, including Egypt, guys. A garden snail will create mucus using its single long foot that can even climb up walls on this slime. Cooked snails are a food delicacy known as escargot. My old teacher from my old school, she once tried one of those snails, the cooked snails, and she tried it and she said it was disgusting. Like, now I don't think I want to try any of those snails. Finally, guys, we have our slowest animal, which is drum. And guys, before you look out to see what the slowest animal is, what do you think it is? Do you think it's like a type of snail, a type of turtle, a type of whatever? And it is, drum roll, the long tentacled sea anemone. These sea anemone are the slowest animals found near Africa with a speed of 0.00062 miles per hour. Another 62. Wow. The long tentacled anemone is found only around the southern African coast from Lebanese to Japan. The long tentacled anemone is a large anemone up to 15 centimeters in diameter. An anemone has an oral disc on top of its body. The sea anemone's mouth and gut are in the middle of the oral disc. The tentacles surround the oral disc. The sea anemone doesn't move much because it's the slowest animal in Africa. And it likes to stay in one area. Unfortunately, we've run out of time. And I hope you like watching this video on Kids Black History. And make sure you smash the thumbs up and subscribe the button down below. Don't forget to check out all of our other episodes from Kids Black History. And don't forget to check out on Rare Fun Play. And that's all we have time for today, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye, guys.